Hello, who's in the building? Thank you guys for taking out time to watch out our videos. We're very grateful. For those that are making comments, please, as you watch our video, please don't fail to make comment or tell us where you want us to treat on the comment section. We are the comment section right below waiting for you. As our videos will be dropping every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, we'll pick up from the topic and then we'll treat it as a drop. Okay, so in today's topic, we'll be looking at how to create a bootable device using command or using the DOS command. Okay, so before we go into this video, please don't fail to like our video, don't fail to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and most importantly, put on the notification bell as our videos will be dropping 3 times in a week. You'll be able to be one of the first persons to get our video while it drops within the week. Before we dive into this lecture, I was not fail to say thank you and thank you again for watching. Thank you. Okay, now the first thing I want you to do is to get your flash drive ready, depending on the capacity of the flash drive you're using, at least from 8 gig up. Okay, so insert your flash drive, you go to File Explorer and go to this computer, and I just want to show you so that you can see that click on this PC, then so you can click on the flash drive. So I've just inserted my flash drive, so it will still appear soonest by the right hand side. Okay, so when you insert your flash drive, be sure that it's displaying at this point. Okay, before you proceed on every command, please take note that every command I'll be dropping during this lecture, I'm make sure I'll display them on the screen so that you don't miss out in the lines of the command. Okay, so I'll be inserting my USB. Okay, my USB is now appeared. So the next thing we're going to do now is to go through the command process. So please take note while I proceed in this command. So I'm going to go to the command prompt. Either I type CMD or I type command prompt. So I'll right click it and open as an administrator. Okay, now it's open. The next thing we're going to do is to type what? Diskpart. Okay, from Diskpart there's a dialog box that will display. We'll click on yes and it will bring us to this part. So the next one is list disk. So this, what you have here is my system hard drive and my flash drive. So this is the capacity. So my flash drive is 1, so I'm going to select my flash drive. That's where we want to issue the command. So select disk 1. It's a disk 1 selected. And the next one is so what? Clean disk. Just type clean. It didn't clean. Maybe there's an error. So let me try it again. I type clean. Okay, now say clean succeeded. Okay, so after we type clean and it's saying clean succeeded, then the next command we're able to issue out now is what? Create partition primary. Create partition primary. So partition primary succeeded. The next command we're going to type is active. Inactive. And the next command we're going to type is select partition 1. This is our flash drive. So partition 1 selected. And now we're going to format the flash drive. So the command is format, as you can see on your screen, format fs equals to FAT32. Okay, if you just press enter, it will take a whole lot of time, but you have to put quick so that it will be very fast. This format and data. So at this point, all you need to do is to just copy your OS and put it inside the flash drive. But I want to explain some other things to you. There's another command called format fs exfat. Now, if you're going to download from the Microsoft website, the application, the installation file is more than 4 gig. So the exfat 32 cannot contain it. So if you are downloading directly from the website, which I'll be dropping the link on the below of this video, you have to use exfat instead of FAT32. So with exfat, it can take more than 4 gig file. So the next thing I'm going to do is to open my flash drive and go to my installation files. I have it on my desktop. Go to Files Explorer, open my flash drive. Now copy my operating system into my flash drive. So like I said, I have my operating system on the desktop here. So I'm also going to open it. Then copy the installation file. So I'll be copying it. So for the focus of educational purposes, I probably do not need it. So I just paste it and I just have to probably stop it. So at this point, your bootable flash is ready and ready to use. Okay. So that is the purpose of this lecture. Okay, if this video has been helpful to you, we appreciate you like our video, subscribe, we'll put on the notification bell. It's very important for more videos so that you can get notification. Okay, I've actually did this video of using the command to create a bootable disk because over the years I've noticed that most of this software fail during the work process after some period of usage. So I think this DOS command is more reliable and it stays longer in the flash than using the third-party software. Thank you for watching our video. Bye.